and welcome to Maths Explains. Today we will be learning about how to find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. Now find the square root of perfect square numbers we have done in our previous video. The link is given below. You can see that video. Now today we are doing for non-perfect square numbers. So when we have to find the square root of non-perfect square numbers, we'll get the answer in decimals. So if you see that the question says find the answer up to 2 places of decimal, then you need to find the square root up to 3 places of decimal and then round it off to 2 places of decimal. And if the question says find it up to 3 places of decimal, you find the answer up to 4 places of decimal and then round it off to 3 places of decimal. So here I have my first question which says find the square root of 42 up to 1 place of decimal. Since we have to find up to 1 place of decimal, we will calculate up to 2 places of decimal and then round it off to 1. So here we have 42. Now since we have to round it to, we have to find it up to 2 places of decimal, we need 2 pairs of digits after the decimal. So 42 can be written as 42.00. This is the first pair of digits after the decimal and this is the second pair of digits after the decimal. So since we have to find it for 2 places of decimal, we need 2 pairs of digits after the decimal. So we have done the pairing on this side after the decimal and before the decimal also. Let us do the pairing. Now let us start finding the square root here. I have here, we need to find for 42.0000. We have put bars over them. Now, we have to multiply with such so that we get a perfect square number which is less than 42. So, we all know that 6 square is 36 and 7 square is equal to 49. Now, 49 is greater than 42, so we can write 6 6 the 36. So, I write it 6 6 the 36. We subtract 42 minus 36 is 6. Now, we need to bring down this pair of digits. So, I put the decimal here and I am bringing this pair of digits here. Here, we have got 6 and we need to add the same 6 again, this digit. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now I have left this space here because we need to add one digit here and we'll multiply the number form with the same digit. So here we can write 5. If I write 5 here, this number becomes 125 and since I have written 5, I need to multiply by 5 and we get 625. Now this 625 is greater than 600. So now we can instead of 5, we can write here 4. So this becomes 124 and 124 multiplied by 4 is equal to 496. So we can write here 4 and here 496. Subtracting this. Now subtracting this we get 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we need to bring down this pair of digits. So we will bring down 0 0 here. And here the last digit was 4, so we will add 4 to it and it becomes 128. Now we need to add here one more digit and we will multiply with the same digit. So we can write here 7 and if we write here 7, then we need to multiply it by 7. Multiply it by 7, 49 9 here. It becomes 9009. Now this would be less than this. We can try with 8 also. So let us try with 8. So we can write 16 plus 7 23, 3 carry 2 and 10304 is. So we can write 1288 and here also we will write 8 and we get 10304. Subtracting this we get 10,400 minus 10,304 is equal to 96. Now since we needed to find the answer up to 1 place of decimal, so we have calculated it up to 2 places of decimal so that we can round it off. So square root of 42, we can write square root of 42 is equal to 6.48. Now rounding off it to one place of decimal, we can write it as 6.5. So let us get started with the first question. We need to find the square root of 19.625. I have here 19.625. We need to calculate the answer up to 3 places of decimal. So for 3 places of decimal, we should have 3 pairs of digits after the decimal. So here, since we were doing the pairing after the decimal, we start from left. So first pair, and after the decimal, you can add any number of zeros after it. So here, since 5 is, I have put a 0, this is another pair, and I have put 2 more 0 to form another pair. So now we have got 3 pairs of digits after the decimal. Now, before the decimal, we have 1 pair. So we have done the pairing. Now let us start. Here I have got 19 point. I have put a bar over the pairs. Now I need to write here a number so that we get a perfect square which is less than 19. So perfect square, we know 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So 5 square 25 is more, so we can write 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16 here. We subtract, we get 3. Now this decimal, we'll place the decimal here, and now we'll bring down this pair which is 62 we have brought here. Now I've written here 4, we'll add the same digit 4 here, and 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Now I have left this space so that we can add another digit here. So I need to write here a digit and we'll multiply with the same digit. So if I write here 3, I need to multiply 83 by 3. So here let us multiply 83 by 3 and we get 249, which is less than 362. Now instead of 4, 3, now we can write 4. So if I am writing 4, 84 will multiply by 4 and we get 336. So I have written here 4 and I am writing here 4, 336. Now we will subtract this. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 5 minus 3 is 2. We got 26. Now we will bring this pair down. 50. Here we have added 4. So we will add the last digit here. 4 we have added, we will add the same digit here again. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So this number is formed 88. Now we need to again have left some space here to add the next digit. So I need to add a digit here. So we can here write 3, 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have got here 2649. So we have 3 and I have written 3 here. 2649. Subtracting, we get 1. Now we can copy this pair of digits here. I have copied this pair and this becomes 100. Now here we need to add 3, the last digit we have added, and this becomes 886. Now we need to add here another number. But once we add here another number, this number is less than this number because this number becomes 8800 something. So we need to add here 2 more digits here. So for that, adding here 2 zeros, I need to put 1 0 at the top. And now if you see, we have got the decimal up to 3 places. And we needed decimal up to 3 places. Now we have got our answer. We can write square root of 19.625 is equal to 4.430. And since we need to round it off to 2 places of decimal, we can write it as 4.43. And this is our answer.